UDokotela Makwarela ufundelwe imibandela yakhe yebheyili.
Your address has been verified. You are staying within the jurisdiction of this court. You have submitted yourself to the police upon request.
Okhulumela amaHawks uKatlego Mogale uchaza ngamacala athweswe uMakwarela.
This is a Schedule 5 offence, which is she's been allegation of 2 counts of fraud and 1 of uttering. This is following the submission of fraudulent documentation with relation to his sequestration previously.
Kanti okhulumela iNPA uLumka Mahajane uthi amacala abucayi lawa abhekene noDokotela uMakwarela.
This is made serious by the amount of money that he received while he was still employed as a councillor and also as the Speaker of the City of Tshwane.
Kusenjalo ikhophi esifundeni saseTshwane iqinisekisile ukuthi uDokotela uMakwarela usulile eqenjini ukuze abhekane namacala akhe ezinkantolo.
He has written to the regional structure of COPE to inform us that as he is facing all these matters of legal nature, he wants to be given space and time.
Leli cala lehlihlisa lomhlazimbili kuNhlaba njengoba kusaqhubeka uphenyo. UDokotela uMakwarela uke wabasematheni emva kokuhlinzeka ngencwadi yomgunyathi eyayimhlambulula ezikoletini kulandela ukususwa kwakhe kwesokuba yimeya yomkhandlu waseTshwane. Emva kwalokho wesula kulesi sikhundla.